sky was crying, but your eyes lit up the dark. Every tear became a promise, every silence left a mark. In the rain I found you, in the storm I heard your name. Every heartbeat called you closer, and nothing stayed the same. All the scars became our story, every wound began to glow. Love was born between the thunder. In the pain we learned to grow.